Hello YouTube and Instagram. I am going to be reviewing Star Wars Jedi Survivor, the video game. Well, if you haven't played Jedi Fallen Order, please go play it because that is totally essential. There is a book called Battle Scars that is before this, but it is not required reading for it. So, this story follows Cal Kestis as he is debating whether he wants to be more Jedi. You know, he's trying to understand what it means to be a Jedi on his own right now because he is working for Saw Gerrera, and Saw Gerrera asked him to get some intel, and things go horribly wrong, and he gets so angry, and then he can't escape Coruscant of all places, and so he gets out of there. But the game follows, it's so big and so remarkable, and if you do 100%, it's amazing. It's worth your time. And the characters, the moves, you get to do a lot of more force power moves, different stances, blaster stance. I spoiled that for you, but it's incredibly great. The bad guys are at least cool to fight with. In difficulty mode, it's very difficult, but it's manageable. And so I want to tell you, you've got to trust in the Force, and this will be a great companion for your gaming, and I hope this will win Game of the Year because it is amazing and big, and despite them still trying to fix things on PC, it's good on Xbox Series X. I bought an Xbox console for $500. Yeah, $500. So I could play this game. It's really amazing. It is mind-blowing and beautiful, and it's very fascinating as a game. It adds so much more than you know. And this is why I am in this costume. This is the inspiration, because I can be Cal Kestis finally. So this is my costume, and he has different outfits like me. So, will you play this game? Will you video game? Let's see. Let's go. Yeah! Woo!